Well, a number of business people have written a letter to both myself and John Steenhuisen, the leader of the Democratic Alliance. And I can say that business does not dictate what happens. One in government does not dictate what happens in the ANC that I lead. We take our own decisions based on our considerations of everything that will advance the interests of our people. But of course, like any other citizen, they are entitled, as any citizen is entitled, to express their views, their wishes, and their fears. And all of us here as South Africans, we have views and fears and aspirations. So they too are entitled to do so. But in the end, I want it to be clear that the ANC will not be influenced by what business says. We are principally influenced by what our people say. And so we are not under pressure from business or whoever. If we are under any pressure, it is pressure that comes from our people, and our people as a whole, not only ANC members. And the pressure that comes from our people is about poverty, is about inequality and unemployment. And those are the issues that influence our decisions. And so therefore we have to heed what our people are saying. As regards what is happening in the United States, we have noted.
Good day all, welcome back to South Africa, and this is South African Preppers. So I hope you enjoyed that ANC video. I know that we've seen too much of this gentleman. And guys, please like, share and subscribe. And linking below is our second YouTube channel. It talks a bit more about South Africa. So lies, lies and absolute lies. So over the weekend, South African JSE stock market lost 1 trillion rand because these people just do not care about South Africans. So we all know that the GNU collapsed. The ANC literally ran to the IFP and other parties to try and get the budget passed. Now there's a bickering between the ANC and the DA going on, as you can see. And the JSE effectively also lost 1 trillion rand because of the trade agreements with America and the import taxes that went up to 50%. And the markets are not seeing this as positive. So as you've just heard, the President of South Africa gives a rat's ass about business, and he gives a rat's ass about our own people. This is not a good place to be. Like I said, please like, share and subscribe, and link in the description for our second channel. And God bless.